Hey there, local business owners. I have a quick question for you. How many calls do you think you missed just this week? Maybe you were busy serving a customer, running errands, or maybe the calls came in after hours. The tough reality is that each one of those missed calls could be a missed sale, a lost lead, or a frustrated customer who decides to never call you back. It's a huge problem. But what if I told you there is now an AI assistant that can answer your calls for you instantly minus 24/7? That's exactly where VoiceGenie AI comes in. Hi, I'm Rick, and today I'm going to show you precisely how VoiceGenie AI helps small local businesses just like yours never miss another call again, even when you completely swamped and can't possibly pick up the phone. So, first things first, what is VoiceGenie AI? Think of it as a smart AI call assistant built from the ground up, specifically for small businesses. It's like having your own dedicated 24/7 receptionist. This is a receptionist that answers every single call, talks to your customers in a natural, friendly way, and can even book appointments or take detailed messages for you. Whether you own a restaurant, a salon, a plumbing service, or even a daycare, VoiceGenie AI is designed to help you stay connected with every single potential customer, even when your phone is ringing completely off the hook. It turns chaos into opportunity. So, how does it actually work? I promise you, it's incredibly simple. First, you sign up and connect your existing business phone number to VoiceGenie AI. It's a seamless process. Next, you get to customize your assistant. You can choose the tone of voice. Maybe you want it to be super cheerful or more professional and straight to the point. You craft the perfect greeting, and you decide what kinds of calls it should handle. You're in complete control. Then when a customer calls and you're unavailable, VoiceGenie answers automatically. It greets them professionally, just like you would. It can collect their information, answer frequently asked questions, or even book a time for you to call them back directly into your calendar. And here's the best part, the real magic: it feels incredibly human-like and natural. Your customers will feel like they're talking to a real, helpful person, not a clunky, frustrating robot. This ensures a great first impression every single time. Now, if you're already thinking, this sounds like something I need, I've got great news. If you're tired of missing important calls and losing out on potential customers, you can try VoiceGenie AI completely free right now. I've put a free trial link right in the description below. There's zero risk, and you don't even need a credit card to sign up. This is your chance to see for yourself just how easy it is to turn those missed calls into real, tangible business opportunities. So go ahead, pause the video and click that link. So, why do local businesses absolutely love this? Small businesses across the country are using VoiceGenie AI for a few key reasons. First, to capture leads after hours. Your business might close at 5 p.m., but your lead generation doesn't have to. Second, they use it to automatically answer frequently asked questions. Think about how much time you spend answering the same questions over and over. What are your hours? Where are you located? VoiceGenie handles all of that for you. Third, it's a game changer for scheduling appointments. It can sync with your calendar and book clients into open slots without you lifting a finger. Fourth, it brilliantly filters out spam and unwanted calls, so you only get notifications for the calls that truly matter. And finally, it helps you provide faster, better customer service. Imagine running your business without constantly worrying about your phone, knowing that every single call is being handled perfectly and professionally. That's the peace of mind VoiceGenie provides. Let me give you a real practical example. Let's say you own a local plumbing service. You're in the middle of a big job, maybe under a sink, fixing a major leak. Your hands are full, and your phone starts ringing. Normally, you'd have to let that call go to voicemail. And you know as well as I do, most people don't leave voicemails anymore. They just hang up and call the next plumber on the list. But with VoiceGenie, your AI assistant picks up right away. Hi, thanks for calling Rapid Fix Plumbing. How can I help you today? The AI listens and understands the customer's issue. Maybe they have a burst pipe and it's an emergency. It can then reassure the customer and schedule a service call for later that day. When you finally finish your job and check your phone, You get a clean summary: who called, what they needed, and the appointment is already in your calendar. That's business automation made simple and effective. It's not about replacing you, it's about supporting you. So, why should you really consider trying this? The truth is, in today's fast-paced world, customers expect instant responses. Patience is at an all-time low. If they can't reach you on their first try, they will, without hesitation, call your competitor. It's that simple. VoiceGenie ensures that never happens. It's your frontline defense against lost business. No matter how small your team is, even if it's just you, you can have a professional AI receptionist working for you around the clock, without the massive expense of hiring a full-time employee. It levels the playing field, allowing you to compete with much larger companies. So, if you're serious about growing your business, about providing stellar customer service, and about never missing another call again, then my final recommendation is simple. Try VoiceGenie AI today for free. Click that link in the description, sign up in just a few minutes, and experience the difference for yourself. See what it feels like to have every call answered, every lead captured, and every customer cared for. Remember, every missed call could be a missed customer. But with VoiceGenie AI, you'll never miss one again. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Rick, and I really hope this helps you take your business to the next level. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next one.